Okay, this morning I want to add a lamp on here and here. And I want its strobe. I want this lamp later can be strobe lamp, a blink. Okay, let's do it. Okay, and add a wire on this PCB, strike to the lamp. This is a junction to the lamp, and I want to try where is the positive and where is the negative. So I want to try it like this and like this. Okay, there is a negative and a positive here, and we will make a junction to here. So this is a resistor, this is a junction to here and here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we will try it. Okay, like this. I want this strobe like this outside.